bad up north, glow body looking like cinnamon. I'm running shit right now, I think I pulled a ligament. Fashion killer, a liar, assassin, vet mom, villain, Balenciaga bastard, got that melanin magic.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tiara coming at you with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I got this super affordable Vampy look.
I've been moving calm, no start no trouble me.
So first I'm going to take my Tarte Maracuja Oil and apply that to my face. I typically use this when my face is feeling a little dry.
I don't want to die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me.
Then I'm going to take my Purlisse moisturizer and apply that to my face as well.
That's planned. I hold back sometimes I won't.
Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to be applying Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360 Mocha all over my face and dragging it down to my neck.
I go hard on Sasa G, yeah, wait. I make sure that no side is still, yeah. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me.
Next, I'm going to take the bronze color in my LA Colors palette and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid. Next, I'm going in my LA Colors eyeshadow palette and taking a darker brown color, using that as my crease color, and I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm just going back over my lid with that bronze color we used earlier. And what I'm doing right now is popping that light gold color into the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to be creating a cat eye with my Jessies Girl liquid eyeliner.
I make sure that no side, still, what's up? Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 they on me. God's plan.
Then I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut and just use that to clean up my eye makeup and brighten under my eyes. Also, please excuse the stupid faces I'm making in this video, you guys. I don't know what I was doing.
I've been moving calm, no start no trouble on me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that outlive me. They gon' tell the story.
Next, I'm going to be taking LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany, and I'm just using that to contour my face.
I feel good, sometimes I don't, I finesse down with the road, finesse. Might go down to G.O.D., wait. I go hard on Sasa G, wait. I make sure that no side is still,
Then I'm going back in with that chestnut concealer and I'm just using that to clean up my contour. Then I'm just going in and setting my contour. And I'm going to set my face as well. Then I'm going in with my X-rated mascara that I got in one of my Ipsy Glam Bags not too long ago.
said you love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Lady Dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, the Dublin crashes through the party. Michael Thomas, G.O.D., yeah, wait, yeah. I go hard on Southside G.
Then I'm going in with my Klean Kolors lip liner in the color Black Cherry.
Still, what's up? Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish.
Then I'm going to be filling in my lips with another lip liner. I don't remember what this is. I'll go ahead and link that in the description box below. And over top of that, I'm applying ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Guess.
I don't get it, you're a starlight. There's a lot of bad things that they wishing to me. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'd never make you feel like that.
And once I let that dry, I'm just going to go right back over top of that with a second coat of that liquid lipstick.
Yeah.
Once that is done, I'm taking my NYX Dewy Setting Spray and applying that to my face.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble on me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut.
Then I'm going to go back into that bronze color we used on our lid, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that as my highlight.
I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me.
And the reason why I'm using my eyeshadow as my highlight today is because most affordable highlighters make my face look super ashy, and when I take photos it's always a white cast. So I try to stay away from the more affordable highlighters. However, if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and put that in the comment box down below. And then I'm just going to set my face once more, and then we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.